Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low braided bun hairstyle. I've started with the hair in a side parting and I've left some hair out to frame the face. Now all we're going to do is divide the hair from the top of the head to just behind the ear and clip this out of the way for later. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Secure the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Add some texture powder to the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair around the crown area just to give it a bit of texture. Next, divide that ponytail in three and just do a regular 3-strand braid. Add some of that texture powder to your braid and then gently pinch and pull at the edges of each loop to make it nice and voluminous. Take hold of your braid and lift it up, and we're just going to press it to the head and secure it on both sides with a row of bobby pins. Release that braid down and then just taking hold of the ends, all we're going to do is wrap these underneath and pin them to the nape of the neck on both sides. Then pin the sides of the bun to the head using a few more bobby pins. Release your side sections. Now starting on one side, just split this into 2 even sections and wrap them around each other to create a loose twist. Pin that twist to the left hand side of your bun. Bring it over to the right hand side, securing the twist as you go. And then just secure those ends underneath that bun with a couple of bobby pins. Then just pinch and pull at the twist to give it more volume. And then we're just going to repeat on the opposite side, so split it in half, create a loose twist, pin that twist to the right hand side of the bun, bring it up and over the top of the other twist, securing it to the head as you go. But this time we're going to create a little hole in that first twist just to pull those ends through. And again, just wrap this underneath and secure it to the head. Pinch and pull at that twist. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.